Hi guys, welcome to my videos. As many of you asked me to make a video about this T2200S form for your Canada Revenue Agency tax return for this year, I am making this video. I'll try to accommodate your more requests down the line. So this year, like the past year for 2020, a lot of us had to abandon our workplaces and had to pick up our home infrastructure in order to complete our task, because a lot of us work from home. So when it comes to tax return in Canada, you can claim certain expenses that occur. So that's like if you had to make some new infrastructure portion of electricity, and there's a whole lot of list. I'm not going to go into that list about expenses that you have made from home for your office work. So because a lot of people have worked last year, so CRA came up with two possible ways. One is you claim $2 a day up to 200 days if you have really worked. 200 working days if you have really worked. Don't try to do any misrepresentation, definitely not. If they do verification, they can easily find this out, and always be honest. So that means around up to $400 you can claim for your home expenses where you had to do your job from home last year when you were employed. So if you are going to go for that way, you don't need to use this form. But if you think that your expenses were higher and you don't want to go into that and you want to get it done in the detailed way, you need this form. So this form is something that not only you, even your employer needs to sign. So they have clearly mentioned this form is only for employees who work from home in 2020 due to COVID-19. The employer must complete and sign this form if the employer chooses to use the detailed method to calculate their home office expenses. If the employer is required to pay for expenses other than home office expenses, do not use this form. So that is something else, will not go into that. And this form does not need to be attached in their return initially, but it has to be kept, and if CRA asks you to submit, then this needs to be. Our employees must complete and attach form T777, statement of employment expenses for working from home due to COVID-19, to their tax return to deduct home office expenses for the year. So I will not go for this T777S. So this form is pretty simple. Your last name, first name, your and then employer address. Remember, employer address, so like your work location, condition of your conditions of employment, and these things, like this part B is for the employer needs to fill this up. Employer discussion declaration, sorry about that. So this is by the employer, and this section needs to be completed by employer if this form is requested. So by default this does not need to be submitted, this does not need to be filled. Like when your employer is going to hand over the form, they are going to complete part A and part B, and in part P only up to employer declaration. This third level of declaration needs to be done only when this form is asked by CRA. So that's it for now guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always feel free to ask. Thank you guys.